Hello, Rust Belt Mechanic here, featuring another nifty tools in 60 seconds. Today we are featuring the SP50014 14-piece impact socket set from SP Tools. The non-marring impact wheel nut sockets are Teflon coated to prevent wheel and lug nut damage. As you can see, they're also color coded, making them easily identifiable for even the beginner mechanic. On top of those impact sockets, we also have the 1/2-inch impact extension bars, as well as the 1/2-inch universal impact joint. These extra strong and durable impact sockets are made from high-strength chromoly for lifelong toughness. The custom EVA foam storage tray provides the technician with superior organization for their impact sockets. SP Tools impact sockets are backed by a lifetime warranty. Thank you for joining me today, and hopefully you enjoyed another episode of Nifty Tools in 60 Seconds.